Welcome to Amabestchoice.com. In this video, we're unveiling the top 5 best food processors on Amazon. Your gateway to kitchen efficiency and culinary excellence. From powerful motors to sleek designs, we've carefully curated a list of the most reliable and versatile food processors available.
Number 1.
The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System stands out as an exceptional food processor that excels in blending, mixing, and crushing tasks with unparalleled efficiency. Its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher swiftly transforms ice into a snowy texture for velvety smoothies. Leveraging a robust 2+ horsepower motor, the 8-cup food processor bowl ensures precise and consistent chopping while astonishingly crafting up to 2 pounds of dough in just half a minute. Its versatility shines through the 1,500 watts of power, offering 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, allowing customization for a personalized drink-making experience. The inclusion of 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids adds convenience for on-the-go nutrient-rich drinks. With specialized blades tailored for various recipes, including a stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade, chopping blade, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups, this system caters to diverse culinary needs. Its impressive dough mixing capabilities, coupled with the 31 recipe inspiration guide, make it an indispensable kitchen companion, delivering not only exceptional performance but also a wealth of creative possibilities for smoothies, frozen drinks, and beyond.
Number 2.
The Ninja NF701 food processor is a powerhouse in the kitchen, offering unparalleled performance and versatility. With its robust 1200 peak watt motor, this appliance effortlessly tackles tough ingredients, kneads doughs to perfection, and chops with remarkable ease. Its variable slice settings allow for precision, delivering anything from thick to paper-thin results. The inclusion of 4 Auto IQ preset programs eliminates guesswork, simplifying food preparation. The Ninja blade technology ensures uniform processing and flawlessly mixed dough every time. Its XL feed chute with a 3-part pusher makes it effortless to accommodate ingredients of any size, reducing prep time. The reversible shredding disc provides both fine and coarse results from a single disc, offering added convenience. Additionally, the family-size 12-cup precision processing bowl is ideal for large gatherings, catering perfectly to family meals and entertaining needs. Overall, the Ninja NF701 food processor stands out as an exceptional choice for its power, versatility, and capacity, making it a top contender among food processors for any kitchen.
Number 3.
The Vitamix 12-cup food processor attachment is a game-changer for kitchen convenience. Its ingenious design eliminates the need for separate appliances, saving both space and hassle. The 12-cup capacity, whether for dry or wet ingredients, offers ample room for various culinary needs. The clear bowl, lid, and food pushers make monitoring and handling ingredients a breeze. What sets this apart is its intuitive storage solution and easy assembly/disassembly, minimizing clutter and maximizing efficiency. The inclusion of a variety of components, from the multi-purpose blade to the reversible slice/shred discs and storage case, ensures versatility. The compatibility with Ascent and Venturist bases adds to its appeal. Overall, it's a standout option for those seeking functionality, space-saving design, and versatile performance in their food processor.
Number 4.
The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is a powerhouse in the kitchen, boasting a robust 720-watt motor that effortlessly tackles an array of culinary tasks. Its versatility shines through with the ability to craft dips, soups, sauces like hummus, salsa, and guacamole with ease, opening doors to limitless culinary creations. The user-friendly design features intuitive on/off/pulse buttons, coupled with a spacious Lexan bowl, and an extra-large feed tube, complete with small and large pusher bowl sleeves for convenience. With included stainless steel slicing and shredding discs, along with a chopping/mixing blade, it offers comprehensive functionality. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the detachable disc stem and dishwasher-safe parts. While the shredding and slicing blades aren't adjustable, the detailed manual offers guidance for optimal setup. Additionally, the impressive 5-year warranty on the motor and 3-year limited warranty reflect Cuisinart's confidence in the product's quality and durability. Overall, this food processor combines power, versatility, and reliability, making it a top choice for culinary enthusiasts seeking a high-performing kitchen companion.
Number 5.
The KitchenAid KSM2FPA food processor is a game changer in the kitchen. Its ability to attach seamlessly to the power hub of KitchenAid stand mixers makes it incredibly versatile. The voltage compatibility at 120 volts ensures consistent performance. The wide feed tube minimizes prep time by accommodating various food sizes, while the exact slice system guarantees precise slicing for all kinds of ingredients. What sets this apart is its compatibility with any KitchenAid stand mixer, offering convenience and flexibility. Moreover, the inclusion of a dicing kit and storage case adds immense value, making it an all-inclusive solution. Overall, it's a top-tier food processor that streamlines cooking tasks and delivers exceptional results, earning its place as one of the best in its category.